Hello, yarn besties. My name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter. And in this video, I am going to review Big Twist Gigi yarn. Now, if you watched my live stream yesterday, you saw me working some swatches for testing the yarn to see how it would work out. So, I'll give you a little more history about this yarn. So, I got this at my local Michael's, and Big Twist is a Joanne Fabrics brand. But as Michael's bought out Joann's, they acquired all the Big Twist and their yarns and their intellectual property and so forth. So I'll go a little over the yarns. So this is a bulky number 6 weighted yarn. It's a 65% acrylic, 25% wool, and 10% polyester. And then it is 93 yards or 85 meters, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. And then the recommended hook size is a size 11 or an 8mm hook, or for knitting needles as an 8mm or US 11. And I will show you the swatches, and the colorway for this is dark green. And when I saw this at Michael's, I fell in love with these little floral pink flower accents that they have throughout this yarn. So I also got another one. I wanted to test out this yarn, so I will show you the swatches that I've done. And I did one for crochet and one for knitting. So here is the one for crochet, and I just did a simple double crochet stitch, and you see it's a little bit of bare spots here throughout as it's worked throughout the yarn, and I'll show you both sides. This side seems a little more populated with the flowers on the back, but maybe it's just the way the yarn was designed. But overall, it was easy to work with. The only kind of issue I was having was with this little bit of the ply coming loose, so you have to be extra cognizant of when you're working with this yarn, and these flowers can sometimes get into the way of when you're trying to insert your crochet hook into the stitch to work it. But overall, it was a fairly simple yarn to use. It was easy to work with, and I like the colors. I like how the pinks and the pink and the yellows contrast against the dark green background. For the knit, I just did a simple garter stitch. Now, for the knitted portion, I used a size US 13 knitting needle for this, because I didn't have any 11s on hand. But again, this one had a lot of bare spots on the back as far as for the garter stitch, but if you flip it over, this side has a little more flowers. It's a little more populated. Maybe it's just by design. And this is the wrong side of the work, because this bottom tail's on the right side. Because if it's the right side, then it would be on this side. This would be the right side of the work, and then this is the wrong side of the work. So again, this is the right side of the work for the double crochet. This is the wrong side. So it seems like, from observation, the wrong side tends to work out a little more fuller with the flowers versus the right side. As you can see with this, there's a lot of bare spots where the flowers should be. Same with this as well. But overall, it's a fun yarn to work with, and this could be used for a nice border too, for any kind of floral blanket design or anything that incorporates a floral design. I mean, you can just use this for like a simple border around your project. Like I said, the key takeaways from this yarn, and for the crocheted swatch, I did use a size 8.0mm crochet hook, and that worked out well. But of course, you can go higher if you want, or you can go lower, but I would recommend staying between 8 and 10 if you're wanting to work with this yarn, since it is a number 6. And the same with this, you can go up a needle size. I went up to 13 for knitting. Of course, you can probably go down to an 11, so that would be your safe bet. So I hope y'all enjoyed this yarn review today, and I would recommend this yarn. And out of 5 skeins, I give this a 5 out of 5, because again, it is real gorgeous. It's bulky. It's easy to work with. The only thing you have to watch out for is these little flowers can sometimes obstruct your view, where you need to insert either the crochet hook or the knitting needle. I recommend going out to your local Michael's and buying some today and trying this out for yourselves, and then if you do work with this yarn, let me know what you do with this yarn, what you make with this. And if you want to share your results, you can post it on my community page as well. Again, Big Twist 5 out of 5 skeins. I recommend going out and buying this yarn. So on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.